from this to this in 6 minutes. First of all, scrape off all the old grease and grime. Next, scrub it down using engine degreaser. Now to repair that corner that's rusted away. Make your marks from the outside, then square up the lines, draw out your patch. Just as usual, make it bigger than what you need. Line up your piece, and then I've made this larger so that it overhangs underneath, and that's just to help it not to blow through when I start welding, so there's going to be plenty of metal there overhanging, and then we can trim that off later. Here I'm just flattening down the flanges just to get a nice crisp edge in that corner there where I'm going to cut it. So cut those off, and then with the flappy wheel just clean off the paint around the parts where you're going to weld and take off any burrs you've got on there. That's ready to go, so I use the old pieces here just to line up the position on the new piece. And then we can stick it in. Weld that all the way around. When you've done that, grind down all the welds and then come back and fill in the holes. Then grind it all down again. When you've done that, cut the overhang off at the back And here I'm just using the old piece to mark where the hole goes. Sand it off so it's nice and smooth, and then give it a coat of grey primer. Next thing I've got to do is cut that corner out so it matches the original. Now, you might think that's a waste of time doing that when you can buy a brand new one for less than 15 quid. But that's what I do for fun, and I hope you've enjoyed watching. See you next time.